I'm Chef Dede from Rate My Plate on Mzansi Magic. Today for your hearty harvest time tip, we're making green bean tomato relish. For the relish you will need 250 gram harvest time green beans, canned tomatoes, chopped onions, yellow pepper, coriander, chili, sugar, salt, black pepper, cooking oil. Get the pan nice and hot, add your oil, get the peppers nice and chopped. Just chuck the peppers in the oil, onions, get the chili, the coriander, just roughly chop them, add that into the pan. Get that beautiful color. Now we're about to add tomatoes. So in about 20 minutes or so, then we add the beans, the star of the dish. Add in my salt, pepper. Because this is tomato, they're slightly tangy, so you want to cut them through with some sugar. Now we're adding the beans. The beauty about the harvest time 250 grams is that 250 grams can feed 4 people. And that's your hearty harvest time green bean tomato relish. Now it's your turn to cook.